It's like 9 a.m. So see if Grace and them need some food. Yep. They don't need water though, but they definitely need some food. Alright. Bronson's out with us. It is pretty chilly out today. Pretty chilly. I don't know where Brownie went. I hear leaves nearby, so he must be. Oh, there he is. He's over in the woods over there. I see him. See his tail. I would have came out here earlier if I knew it was like 8 or something. I was inside playing with the dogs, playing with the puppies for almost an hour and a half. Had to make some room. I didn't have a lot of space left. Alright. Good. This flash, I always forget to turn it off. Okay. So should we, I'm thinking we should. Or go feed that line. Let's feed the chicks first. That wasn't a lot of food in there. Alright. Okay. There we go. I don't see Brownie no more. I'm pretty sure I know where he's at. But we'll know what format I just done feeding chicks. He was like right in the woods right there. I don't hear him. I'll see if I can hear him, but I don't hear him. Oh, it's so cold out this morning. Even the lock has. Look at that. I'm pretty sure the chicks are pretty warm. Pretty warm in their little hut. In their little hut in here. Look, even the door handle isn't frozen. Whoa! Okay, like 4 of them got out. Okay. Okay. Are y'all okay in here? Damn, when 4 got out, it seems like there isn't that many chickens in here. I think more than 4 got out. I think so. Whoa! Alright, I fix the camera. Alright, you guys. You crackheads. There we go. The other chickens are probably waiting. Oh. Yeah, what happened to your back? Alright, yep, the other ones are waiting. Alright, come on. 4 of them got out. Woo! 5 of them. Is there any more? Oh. Alright. I hit my elbow on the door jamb. I close the door. I better go look for brown. Anyways. I don't know where he could have went. See, it was like right in the woods right there. Might have went up to the front. I don't see him up there. Woo! Alright. I'll be back. Alright. Sophie, I didn't throw the spices in the thing. Did I? Oh boy. Second time I done it, isn't it? Well, I guess the chicks don't need water. I hear Bronson's walking. I don't see him anywhere. Oh, he's up there. No, he's up there. I just seen his little tail. Woo! Anyways. Did I grab the scooper? Where's the scooper? Oh boy. Now how this stays on though, isn't it? I have the it is pretty darn cold out. We're gonna do a couple scoops for them in there. Alright, let's head up. I have to go get Bronson here in a minute. I know his butt would be freezing. Oh, there he is. What'd I say? Told you it was at the top of the hill. Look. There's the old brown. Hi, brown. It's getting cold, that's why I came back over. It is pretty cold out today. Like really cold. Colder than yesterday. Can't see the breath though, so it's not that cold. But it is pretty cold. Alright. Let's feed these chickens. Hey. There you girls go and guys. Yeah, they don't need water. Their water's fine over there. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to let the shit store. I saw concentrate on Brandon, well, getting Bronson. And here he was at the top of the hill. He must have went behind the shed. behind the shovel I was getting the feed and went up the hill. Hey, my boy, Brown Brown. Alright, let's put the bucket inside. Let's close up this chicken coop. Right? Let's go. And I locked up the gate too. My hands are red. Coming in, bro? Yeah, I didn't lock it. I just closed it. Alright. There we go. Locked it. Alright, Brian, let's go back inside, man. It's cold out. Lock this place up till later today, and then we'll come out and get the aids. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's not that long, but it's pretty darn cold out today. So wear a coat. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Yep.